Alena ke shapo. Ubali Isaya ne. I will be your host for today ne. Welcome to TKSR Online Radio.
Thanks for welcoming me.
You're welcome. So before we start, before re akagara ne, please tell the listeners gore kwena mang o tomme ka eng ba go itse ka eng.
Greetings to my fellow people. I go by the name of Slindokuhle Machazi. I'm 13 years of age and I'm residing at Krugersdorp. I'm well known with modeling.
Wow. You are from Krugersdorp?
Yes.
Oh, I'm also from that side.
That's interesting.
Yeah, I grew up that side, Komasilapata. So life happened, then I had to move. It was my life.
Okay, that's interesting and inspiring.
Yeah, so hey, ke proud to go bona youngsters from my hometown, Banzwa try, So, Bon, let's go into details. Let's mean business now. How old are you?
I'm 13 years of age.
13.
Yes.
Okay, so far, how many competition have you won?
I've won 4 competitions. The first one is Miss Machalis. The second one is Miss Melis Drift. And then the third one is Miss Legaela Bana. The last but not least is Miss Incredible.
Wow. Most when like you qualify to be our brand ambassador.
I would love to do that.
Okay. There's a slot, Series from but we have a brand, so the brand is even selling online. We are also approaching Shiny, Shopify. So refana the contract, ne? So there's a clothing brand called Itada. So God if we can give you that opportunity. Okay, Spencer.
I can do that. I can do what?
If you have opportunity ne gore o advertise brand ya rona ne o ka make sure gore ra pusha and we get more clients. Can you?
Yes, I would make sure that.
Okay, can you represent us very well? Oh, sure.
Yes, I can do that.
Okay, after the call ne I will make sure ke go sendela contract please ka o tshepisa.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome. So what inspired you to become a model?
I was inspired by a person. That person is Bagang Sibulai, which is my coach. She told me the good impacts about modeling and that modeling can take you very far.
Shout out to
the building.
You can continue. Sorry for disturbing. Okay.
She inspired me by telling me the good impacts about modeling and that it can take you far by building up your confidence and being the voice to the voiceless.
Wow. Ka bona le sekgowa o se kgoka dinko. O se kgoka dinko sekgowa. Re ntseng.
You can't be a beauty. You can't be beauty, but you don't have a brain. You should balance them all.
Abash. It's like I never own montle sina metric.
You should have a ruler.
Yeah, tlamehile because if o le montle o sena metric o tlo thubela monna koloi. Ke bua maka. Yeah, so guys, khali choose the qualification beauty with brains. So what has your personal life influence your career?
relationship with people who can encourage you in doing good things. That's the thing that I think can influence my personal life.
Yo. So, I forgot this one. Very important. So, go tlileng we ipona o re joinile live on TKSR. What happened?
What happened?
Like, go tlile yane gore o re join we ipona o na le nna, o na le rona and our listeners on air today.
So there was this other girl called Preeti Ndlovu. She informed us that if you have more votes, you can even get an opportunity to get in a radio interview with TK radio station.
Okay. Interesting. At least it's fair and square. Hara choose ne gore hai wena tlaya. Like I'm inspired, Shem. So any upcoming events, so rejoining, and if anything, how can we vote for you?
There is, which is next week, 26 April, at Miss Lowly Station. You can enter your Facebook account and search Miss Lowly Station, and then look for Slindo Guhle Machazi. Then you may react on that Facebook page.
Okay, definitely. I'm going to react using my personal account, a radio station account, a brand account, my friend's account, like everyone, so that you can win and also share on my status. I promise.
Thanks. It will mean a lot to me.
Yeah. And we have to support you, young girls, because being a girl's child is very difficult. Serious. Because o kry-a gore betsa ntho tse tswile mo tseleng just because of the opportunities the less, but seeing you fighting for your life, wanting to get what you want, bona you already have that million. Go shota like that one, you have the zeros, you know that.
I know that I have a skill and I believe that I have it.
Yeah, like I want to see you o le go TV next time. Wa bona o mo kae no yana o tsamaya ka di-levels. Le nna I started ka radio station ga tla ka ipona ke le ko newspapering. Now I'm doing the most, so it's possible. Like we need more stars from Mogale City, Krugersdorp. We need you guys. What tlhaloganya kere?
Pardon?
Like we need more stars from Mogale City.
And I would like to encourage all the girls from Mogale City that they can do it if they believe in themselves, and stop waiting for someone who can tell them that they can do it. Just tell yourself that you can do it.
Wow. You were prepared for this interview, ne?
I prepared.
Ka bona gore I never asked this question, but what ne this guy o senya nako e re ke mo hlebe ka yona now. So since o bona gore like youth ya fela ne, like ya fela, what might be the cause ba tsene ba tlhabe ka mafoko?
Wait, in our youth, many people are lacking confidence, and they think that if someone doesn't compliment them, they can't do anything. But today I'm here to tell them that you can do it. You can do it. Whether someone tells you that you won't be able to do it, just take a step and tell yourself that I can do it.
Anything is possible. We started from zero to something. She's right. Bonang, like tlogelang go simolola ka ntho tse tlamehile fetse ka tsone, like ba mmakatsa. These people are drinking, you know that, ne? And
Yes.
alcohol is meant for celebration. I wonder ba celebrating each and every weekend. I wonder, or like a ba re plake gore le rona re kgone go achieve. Yo, hi
One
mugel.
thing I want to recommend for us, we should stop substance abuse because it damages with many things.
You are right.
So it's not a recommendable thing that we should do.
You are definitely right, because sometimes I go around the hospitals, ne, encouraging ba tsubang di-hub le gore ba tlogele motho wa teng a o fetse bua le ena ga tswa sepetlele o le itsuba gape re tla ba re opela pinele so tlhakane mathuneng wa itse ee re tla ba opelela pineo wa bona wena. You are my chomi wena, like kiss ka go skima ya fere like re tlo fofa ka di-shop. Yo pretty o re tlisetsa mathata batho ba ke batla motho a seng prepared ke more a panic mara every time pretty o tlisa batho ba leng prepared ga fe.
Sometimes, do you know that I got it that last minute? Like, today, but I haven't read your interview.
Wow. And you are doing the most. I don't wanna lie, serious. You are going far. And make sure, ne, play bona. I wanna mshiman, run Simba, run. Ane? Yeah. But dangerous, what dangerous. Like you have a skill. Like you can become something that like lebomaki community can like be like, how did this person do it? You see me, ne, when I go at Telton go Matsalapat batho ba botsa le bana, they be like re batho tshwana le wena, like do so, ne, you'll see your life is going to like change. Definitely believe in yourself, don't forget that. And I will make sure if I get chance I will come and buy a ticket ke go bone o ntse o tsaya one of the awards le picture nyana ke tse picture le wena before nna celebrate, because lona le popa la re lebala. Promise future, like I see face ya itada. So if I want to follow you, ne, where can I get you? If I want to follow you on social media, where can I find you?
At Facebook, Slindokuhle Machazi. Then TikTok, it's Cindy Machazi. Also Instagram.
Okay. Definitely. So if you want to know more about her, please email us or WhatsApp me at 08109866333, or scroll down, you'll see our numbers. Then I will do the right thing. I hope una le manager, then let tlotla. If you have something to give, ne, please also assist, because these girls need our support. They need our support because they are pushing. Where I come from a place, I know Krugersdorp. Support their leg. And that's why talent they fell strategy. So if you have something to give back, please reach us. We always believe. Ne? So tell the listeners, ne, baketsa for Hutusa, so that we see you all somewhere in future or tomorrow.
I would like my community and also other people to support each and every one of us, including my team, and giving all the attention intention that they have by supporting our young ones in everything that they want to do.
Okay. So ba utlwile. So just like me, I want to become a modeler, ne? So someone told me about 360, the 10, all those things, the catwalk. Can you please tell me, or tell us actually, not me, tell us hore catwalk king? Because when they speak of catwalk, ke nagana gore you walk like a cat. Please go deeper. Tell us what catwalk king.
Catwalk is not about walking like a cat.
Oh.
Catwalk, it's a walk that you normally do, but putting that pressure, that thing that you say that I'm a model. I can walk a model.
I want to.
So.
Oh. Okay.
Catwalk, ke walk ya gago, but putting more pressure on it and the energy.
Like o gata gore go utlwagala gore o gatile. Okay, 360 re bolela ka 360 because nna a ba bua ka 360 ke nagana gore o spina jaaka topo, o thena jaaka topo. So please explain to us gore 360 ke eng?
Okay, 360 it's a full turn. Let me say you are in a direction of left, Anne.
Okay.
You turn until you look at that left side.
Okay.
Yes, that's 360.
No, I have to speak with someone. There's Charity from Orient, there's Pretty also. I have to join I want to learn these things.
There's a patient for girls and there are patient for boys.
Okay, so for boys, ne, and then nanka sharp because I'm a designer, I'm good. Nkatla ka di plastic, ka per di plastic, it's allowed again.
Yes, I can creative way.
Yeah, I can design all those things from wabona plastic go shop right. I can take it and design yo something massive.
Yes.
Yeah.
Get the points,
Okay. Little box. I can design something from a box. Like I'm coming. Hey, Kalitsena. I will win. I will make sure. If you can do it, I can also do it, Shem. Not that it's same town. I never pale. So before we close, ne, please tell the listeners and but who like who want to get into modeling, gore ba simula kae, and this thing it's very you should not do it for money. Do it because of like only passion for this thing. So please like motivate us, cause something says massive, man. Massive.
You know, modeling, it's not all about money, as you say that. It's all about having fun and enjoying yourself and building up your confidence and bringing hope in our communities that everyone can do this if it is possible. And you can build up your confidence all alone with doing modeling.
Likutlwetse if o sa utlwa utlwa ka letlalo and rona tse tsa go shapa batho a se talent ya rona shem motho tla re wa mokgoma e ba a wafa. So likutlwetse she spoke, she said it the way like e naganne ka teng, because nna le my friend over here, my best friend, we think twice re na no tshwana. So thanks my sister, it was good having you, ne? And I wish to also invite you hape, like re bue ka ntho tse bolayang youth o itse keng o ba tsenelle ka mafoko ane.
It's a pleasure, thank you very much.
Yeah,
for having me on your radio station.
Yeah, like Lena, it's a pleasure having you. Like ga se mang le mang interviewing like a 13-year-old, a modeler, a star, like motho o winang ga se mang le mang. Ke phadile ba bangata o itse keng ga ke ba phadile shem. Jealous down. Thanks ne.
Bye bye. Thank you very much.
Bye, sharp. Thanks for tuning in. Mamero Montle is a host, Isa Hlongwane. Like, normally, a whole, like, a full modeler from Kruger's Drop.